Okay, we are in Collins Avenue and 14th Street. That's the elevator. This apartment is to rent for 6 months. Here we go. We are right next to the beach in Ocean Drive. Here on the left we have the kitchen. Refrigerator. Little window over there. Let's go here. Here we have a big living room here with a nice balcony. You have partial view to the beach. So right there is the beach, Ocean Drive. And over here you have Collins Avenue. You have a pretty good big balcony. Again, this is the living room. Over here we have the bathroom. Everything is nice and clean. As you can see, toilet. And over here on the left we have the bedroom with 2 big closets. It's the walk-in closet right here, and the other one is right here too. And this is the bedroom. Of course, you're gonna have a new mattress coming. Also, you can see Collins Avenue and 14th Street. Plenty of space here. And you can rent this for 6 months period.